Well, it's been delivered.
Yep.
This is going to be our weekend project. Oh boy, oh boy.
I want everybody to know that I got no scars on me right now.
So far,
No scars.
he's scarless.
After this is over with, you might kill me, but yes.
Hopefully we don't kill each other while we're trying to put this bitch together, because it don't look like it's going to be 9 feet tall, 50 feet long, and 14 feet wide on this little pile of stuff. But boy howdy, I'm going to grow all the things. I'm super excited. Hey guys, okay, so just real quick before I go outside, quick update on all of my seed starts. So this is my top rack with my peas and my parsley and my green beans, my store-bought tomato starts, radishes. These are my green beans. And my peas, green beans and peas and cucumbers. Those are doing good. My dill looks a little unhappy. Seems to be pulling out of it. It looks like, to me, it looks like it needs to be up potted into a bigger pot so that they can grow a little bit more. And then the rest of these are all tomatoes. Beefsteak tomatoes and my Roma tomatoes, and down here we have more Roma tomatoes, and it looks like cucumbers. I know I've got a couple of watermelon and a couple of regular squash, so I've got a little bit of everything going on. My lemon balm is down below because it needs a little bit less, and my basil the same. And then my banana tree. We've got 2 banana trees, but the one does not seem like it's going to pull out very well. And then blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, the 2 roses that Johnny just bought me. So there we are. Oops. So I'm going to go outside here and help Johnny get the high tunnel started. We did not get off to a good start yesterday. I shot 4 videos yesterday. None of them worked. My memory card in my camera doesn't seem to want to work, and I think I fixed it. The lock mechanism on the side kept sliding down and locking out the right protection. So I would shoot a video and then it would corrupt the file because the little mechanism would move and then stop the video. Very annoying. But anyways, I'm going to go outside and I'm going to go and start doing the things. So, yay, today we're going to have a high tunnel. Well, we're going to get it started. We're going to start it today. It's not going to get done today. We are fully aware that it will not get done today. Yeah, it's just the 2 of us, so it's going to take a minute. See you later. Hey guys, Terry Lynn over at Serenity Asylum Acres. So we are wrapping up today's little project. I'm going to give you some advice if you order any kit. Doesn't matter who you order it from, where you order it from. Make sure that you are looking over your packing list when you get your order. Our package was supposed to be on 2 pallets. We only got the 1 pallet. We assumed in error that the double pallet was supposed to be the 2 pallets. I did a cursory look over all of the parts in their wrappers, inside the plastic, on the pallet, and I was like, oh yeah, everything's there. Cool. No, not everything is there. We are indeed missing an entire pallet. It's probably still in Tennessee. I can understand how something like that would happen. Not pissed off, just a little frustrated because this is day 2 of this project and we're not even close to done. We do have the bows and the peak assembled. All 13 are assembled. We did have to go buy screws because here's our packing list for this pallet. This pallet had 26 rebar, 26 anchor plates, 26 easy clips, 26 lift kits. Those are the spacers that accommodate the raised beds in your tunnel. If we were planting in ground like regular Caterpillar tunnels, we wouldn't have needed the lift kit. But because we have raised beds in the tunnel, we needed the extra, I don't know, they're what, 6 inches?
Probably about a foot.
They're about a foot, about 12 inches, give or take, that sit at the bottom of the rebar and connect to the bottom leg of the bow. We'll show you when we start assembling everything and getting the bows and the peaks up. We're not there right now because after all of this, we are missing 113 self-sinking screws. Kind of need those to put everything together. So our assumption is that that box of screws, 113 tech screws, it's going to be a decent sized box. It's probably on the other pallet with our Dutch door. So we only have the one door that goes on the end, and that's in this box. The other door is a Dutch door. I don't know if you know what a Dutch door is, but it has the little lock pin that goes in between the two doors. It's split in half. You can open the top and leave the bottom closed, or put the lock pin in and open the entire door. And it is a wide door so that we can go in and out with our cart and other equipment, big buckets, etc., etc. So that's on a pallet somewhere. I've already sent an email to Farmer's Friend. It's a holiday weekend. I am not expecting to hear back from them until Monday or Tuesday, tomorrow or Tuesday. The driver even wrote on our bill of lading, 1 skid delivered, because it did say 1 of 2. The plastic even says number 1. So there is indeed a second pallet. So I'm giving you this information so that if you do run into this kind of a situation, go over your inventory list, go over the packing list, make sure everything is in there. Now, luckily, I notified Farmer's Friend 24 hours after it was delivered. Hey, I appear to be missing a skid. 1 whole pallet, my door is nowhere to be seen, and I'm missing 113 tech screws. Help? So when we hear from them, I am sure that they will look over our order and they'll be like, oh, oops, it's probably still sitting in shipping in Tennessee. And that's okay, because we can actually get everything assembled, get it all put together, get the beds filled. I can get my plants out. I'm planning on using the plastic that's on the pallet that wrapped everything up as a temporary door for the end, because we do have a door on the end, the bottom of the tunnel. I've got the double zipper. So that's fine. We can still get airflow and still close off the end using the scrap plastic that everything was wrapped in. That's a good temporary fix until the Dutch door can get here and we can assemble that. That will be another video that we will do. I don't know when this is going to get posted. I'm going to try to get it posted tonight or tomorrow, and then we'll just follow along with updates on how we're progressing. Because this project has ended up taking us, we're on day 2 so far. We're probably going to end up with multiple videos just for this project, which is fine. You guys have been asking me for videos. Here we are. So, yeah, everything I've gone over the packing slip, and I counted literally everything piece by piece and checked off. Everything is here except for the tech screws, and everything that's on this pallet is indeed on this pallet. But then the packing list does list the Dutch door. It's not there. So it's on the other pallet somewhere, probably Tennessee, as I said. Now I'm repeato girl, sorry. So I'm going to wrap this up for right now. If you have any questions or if you need any more information, I'm going to try to link everything in the description box. I kind of have some issues once in a while with getting stuff to link. I know that the Gothic Pro is not available right now. They're out of stock. When they do come back in stock, you can always get a notification from Farmer's Friend. But yeah, I'm going to link everything in the description box so that you can kind of check it out for yourself and compile your information before you start to build. That's the biggest message that I can give you right now. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. It helps. And have an awesome day. Bye.